Hello my geek friends, and if you're not geek, what are you doing here? I would like to show you something very simple but very useful two ways to put some text or an intro on top of your regular video. Let me show you. Up, I will add some, let's say, a text, stupid text, okay. Up, put this text here and say, my dear text, your initial position is here. Oops, sorry, up. You go here and go there. Okay, nothing really surprising here. But now I want to put a video behind, so I can render it now and use a simple montage. I will show you that later, don't worry. Or I can use a very basic solution, which is a plane, a mere plane here. Just use 16 to 9 ratio. I will use a bigger, of course, here. Rotate it. Okay. Put the camera in front of it. Oh, I forgot. I will make it up, you see? So the text goes in front, of course. Move the camera so it's the right place. And now I will just emit the video on top of it. So new material, visual properties, new clack. You can add some zones, I don't know if you drag the corner to add some new tabs into Blender. Okay, click. Don't want the principal BZF because I would have to plug the base color and the emission, which is lame. I want to do Shift A, shader, emission, up, Blender, be nice with me. Up, I will go look for a video and drag and drop it. Simply drag and drop. Nothing special. Don't forget, you need, inside the node which was created, you need to check this one. This one too, if you want it to loop, of course. And as you can see now, if I render this, it will be a nice combined video. I could make this plane move and make super effects with many planes with many videos and kill your machine. No, it's not this heavy. It depends on the kind of machine you're using, of course, and you don't care if it takes time. So, I suppose, if you don't want to do this, now you just want to make something that you will be able to reuse anytime. It's pretty simple too. Actually, you just need to render this. You choose where to record this. Prepare a new folder, okay? Because you will make a lot of images. Sorry. You want to choose PNG here. Don't forget about this. You want, even more important, RGBA. Don't forget about this. You need the A because it's the alpha, transparency. And codev, you don't really care, but don't put too much compression, just to make sure. You render this and click. And I will show you how to combine it now. It's very simple. Just click the plus here, if you don't have the video editing, of course. If you don't have the video editing, you click here, video editing. So plus video editing. Here I just drag and dropped a video, a pretty old shitty one. Splendid shit. Sorry. So press T up so you can browse, and here are the exported files. As you can see, I did this earlier. So if I wanted to drag just one pose, just one pose, sorry, it's in French, one frame. I just wanted this frame. Say, it's okay. As you can see, it's just the frame. Now, if I want the full video, I will click Add Image Sequence, and you have all these files. These files, I select them all, so shift click, you know, like any software. Select the first one, start frame, end frame. Okay, nothing credible. Add, and now up, I can render this, and the same way. I render this and I have my video. It's really easy to add an animation on any of your video this way. I mean, you can do this with Killing Live too. Of course, in Killing Live you can import the same way an image sequence, and image sequence is simple, super light. I tend to really love it. I hope it helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and subscribe to the channel, do it, and you can take a look at the game I'm developing too, and my Unreal Engine assets. Whew, hard to speak English this fast.